Patrick at Pals. Mercedes-Benz are great cars. Why is this one here? Well, it's got a problem with the retractable top. Now, we do a lot of these repairs. It's usually a hydraulic problem combined with an electrical problem. Generally, what has to happen is we have to take it apart like we've done this vehicle, and we take out the hydraulics and we send them in to be rebuilt. We have a company that rebuilds them for us and gives a guarantee on it. And that's what this car needs. The hydraulics are not working properly, and we've got to replace, we've got to take them out, have them rebuilt, and then put them back in the car. Luckily, this happened with the top up for this customer so that he could get it to Pals and get it repaired. If you've got a retractable or a convertible that has a problem, bring it to Pals. See you soon.